Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. These are my few previous videos and I hope you guys have already loved it. And thank you so much for your love and support. Do like.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you have been following me for a little while, you already know what my channel is about. But just in case if you are new to my channel is a lot about skincare, hair care, lot of DIYs and mostly the shopping reviews. So I kind of shop a few number of things which I require in my day-to-day life, and at the same time I get little bit PRs, so I kind of mention at the start of the video. So today's video, as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about, for example, if you have selected some incorrect foundation and how to make use of that foundation. Now you cannot throw that foundation, so you can actually mix and match and make a good use of that foundation. So in the last video, I think it was a review about my favorite foundation, compact. So foundation, I spoken about the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is in the new tube which is available. Then I spoke about Color Bar, and also I spoke about Sugar Banana Compact. So just in case if you have missed that video, I will leave you the link in the description box. So let's quickly begin the video, and before we get into the video, please take a moment to subscribe my channel, hit the like button and do share. If anybody is in need or is in help of this video, that would be of a great help. So let us quickly get into the video. Now last video I have shown my favorite foundation as Maybelline Fit Me 220 Natural Beige. So this is the foundation which I have already spoken about. This was my favorite one. Now while purchasing this, I did purchase a wrong shade, which is Warm Nude, which is in the shade 128. So now I am not gonna throw this and just use this. So just in case I wanted to use this foundation, how can I use this foundation as per my skin tone? So before we get into, let me quickly apply it on my skin and then show you how mismatch it is. So this is 220 Natural Beige. So this is my actually correct color. This is actually my correct foundation, which actually works on my skin tone. I am applying this on my hand. Remember one thing, foundation you should never apply on hand and then try it. This usually does a mistake. You go online or you kind of go offline store and then you see foundation on your hand and then you kind of select it. That's where you go wrong. First of all, you need to do a patch test over here, and if you are really sure that this brand product suits me, then do apply directly on your skin. So let me quickly apply this on one side and the other one in the other side. And only this part. Now I have no foundation on my face. So this is the wrong shade which I applied on this half of my face, and the correct shade would be this one which I applied on this side of the face. Now there is a huge difference, as you can see. So these things will not work. How this is a little, let me tell you, this is having a this is making my skin a little dull. So there is a lot of difference, and at the same time it is not actually going to my skin tone. So let me quickly show how it works. Kind of foundation, so I'm gonna first remove this. Usually use is MAC Infallible Matte. This is the primer which I always use, and mostly I use the Lifetime primer. I don't know, but I really feel that does set the foundation well. Much better. It looked different, and when I kind of applied matte primer, it is looking super. Primer or moisturizer or whatever you can say, but I love using, you know, primer. That is something which I never see the difference, by the way. There is a visible difference here which you can see. This is a little darker to my skin tone and this is perfect to my skin tone. So what you can do is you can take the darker one first at the back of your hand. That's why I showed you this. Then I'm gonna rub this. Then kind of apply on the skin. Mold, because that's how it is gonna manage. So you can see the blending of these two. So I'm just gonna blend it really well. It's a little on the ivory side, so I kind of select the natural beige, which is a little lighter one of the ivory. So this is the perfect color, and then I'm just gonna apply it. Back with the blender. This blender, I think this is the Huda Beauty blender I usually use. But this is exactly the foundation shade which I use. And color, so I'm gonna take the rest of the foundation. I'm gonna blend it over my neck. What and what not to do for the foundation, and by chance if you selected the wrong shade of the foundation, you can then mix it. Make sure that the incorrect foundation you take a little quantity, and the correct shade of your foundation you take a little, like it should be 1:2 ratio. If this is 1, then make it 2, and then kind of mix it and then apply it. And I think you can, this way you can stop wasting. If you selected by chance the wrong foundation, you can then mix both of them and then easily can use. So that's a pretty small video about how you can mix it and then you can use the best use of the foundation. And that's it for today's video. There are 2 review videos coming after this back to back, which is about a Joker and Witch. This is one of the online shopping site of the watches, and the other is the Shy Way haul, which is lingerie haul. So stay tuned to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such notification, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.